I swear to God, if you do these 5 things and he's losing interest, please don't tell people you watch my channel. Just don't. All right. Let's find out what they are. Ladies. All right. Don't panic. All right. These are 5 things you must never do if you have a feeling that a guy's losing interest. I swear to God, ladies, if you do this, do not tell people you watch my channel. Tell people you watch other people's channels. Go tell people you watch Mark Roosevelt, or like tell people you watch Matthew Hussey. But don't tell people you watch my channel and put my name under that, okay? Because if you think he's losing interest, these 5 things will just make things worse. It's one of those moments when the cure becomes worse than the disease. It's one of those moments that if you do these 5 things, you're just digging a bigger hole for yourself, all right? So let's begin this, all right? All right, to all the angels out there, I know it's hard to stay composed when you feel like a guy is losing interest, particularly if you live with him, right? Like, that's a little harder. And your natural instincts is to get closer, all right? Now, look, this is different if you guys were married. If you guys been together for a long time, it is a little different, all right? But to some degree, it still applies, all right? Because let's just begin this and I'll explain. The first thing you must never do is if you feel like that a guy's losing interest, stop over texting and stop over calling, because you're naturally going to call more. You're naturally going to text him more. You're naturally going to want more of his attention. And what that's going to do is that's going to push him away from you. That's going to make him lose interest. All right. So if you feel like the guy you're seeing is losing interest, if you feel like the guy you're seeing is pulling away, what you cannot do is start calling more and texting more and sending him books and paragraphs and saying how you miss him and saying how things are gonna look beautiful in the future. All right. So if you're sensing that, don't do that. In fact, pull away. Don't text him as much and don't call him as much. All right. Give him a taste of his own medicine. That's how you deal with that. All right. And I talk a lot about this in my last course, the psychological game of attraction, how to deal with this kind of thing, right? The next thing you should never do is ask his friends. Ladies, just because his friends are nice to you, don't mean they're on your side. All right. Never ask his friends what's going on, because what they're gonna do, they're gonna report back to him, unless that friend wants to bang you on the side. Then he'll just start saying, yeah, man, he's losing interest in you and stuff like that. So never ask his friends, because his friends, they're for him. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the hell you think they're gonna tell you? They're the ones that are gonna hide shit from you, all right? So if you think he's losing interest, don't ask his friends, because then they'll tell him that you're asking him, right? The next thing you must never do, which goes right hand in hand with this, is do not ask your friends what's going on. Don't ask your female friends for advice. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you guys know this, but women give horrible dating advice. They give horrible dating advice to each other. So do not ask your friend why he's acting this way, because she's not going to give you good advice. She's going to tell you to text him. She's going to tell you to impress him. She's going to tell you to watch some other channel that says to act genuine and show him how much you love him. Get the fuck out of here, man. All right? Don't be asking your friends for dating advice. They don't know how to give dating advice. Ask them about other things, but dating advice, please don't. The next thing you cannot do is spend more time with him. If you feel like he's losing interest, you gotta give that motherfucker space. You gotta give him space. You gotta give that guy space, because if you don't give him space, what that's gonna do is that's gonna make him want more space. By giving him space, you giving him a chance. You're giving him space to miss you. All right. So don't be wanting to spend more time, because I know that's what you want. I get it. But you got to think long term. All right? You have to think long term, angels. You got to think long term. You feel me? And the last thing is, don't show that it's affecting you. Now, this relates to when you guys haven't been together for a while. If you guys live with each other, or you guys been together for a long time, it's hard to hide. But what you could do is show strength. And even though if you're hurt, like how can I say it's because it's hard. I get it. It's hard, but man, if you feel like he's losing interest, man, like you got to show him that you're able to live without him. You're able to live without him. You know what I'm saying? Like, and that's easier said than done, but Because what you want him to feel is that you're losing interest. So you then, if he wants to make you feel that, you then start doing the same shit. You start pulling away. Because maybe he's pulling away because you were too there for him. You were too available. But you cannot, if you feel like he's pulling away, you got to give him that space. You cannot find an excuse and not show the pain that he has. Because sometimes showing that you're in pain doesn't make him want you more. It makes him say, fuck. It makes him confirm what he might be feeling, which is, man, this girl doesn't give me space. You see what I'm saying? So over the years, you got to let the guy know that you're going to be okay without him. You got to, from time to time, communicate to him that if he ever wants to leave, just leave. By saying stories. Just say, hey, my ex, yeah. And I always told him that if he wants to leave, leave. It hurt, but I'm able to get over people. You got to communicate to people that you're able to get over people. You see what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. If you feel like he's pulling away, you pull away. And that's how you deal with these kind of guys. It's not putting more pressure. You put less pressure and you let them be. And sometimes that means that they'll never come back. And it is what it is, unfortunately, ladies. All right? All right, ladies. All right, well, calm down. Stop crying. Put the tissue down, all right? Put the tissue down. I got a solution. If a guy's losing interest, I have a solution for you. You ready? Watch this. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners. No more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week. Fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you can just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.